Hey guys, so right now I'm in the middle of doing my makeup and I was just like, you know what, let me pick up the camera and let me talk to you guys because we love to talk. At least I do. That didn't make sense. But yeah, y'all, today is just like a regular get ready with me. I'm just doing a simple look today, no shadow, just some eyeliner, lashes. You can see already, I already started a little bit on my makeup, but I just want to talk to y'all, put it on live. And yeah, so this hair is from VRBest Hair, I believe. If I get the name wrong, I'll have it in the description box. It's a deep wave unit, super cute. I think it's 26 inches. But yes, it's so cute. It doesn't even tangle. Like, usually curly hair tangles, but this does. Life for me has been pretty good. I've been doing really well. Just growing, prospering in the best way I can. This year, or this school year, has been off to a pretty good year. Last year around this time, I just remember I was just super depressed, really sad, and just like not in a good place mentally. It was like really bad. So I'm just thankful to God that, you know, I'm happy right now and I'm just in a good place, and things are going good for me. Just taking, you know, every day, day by day, I guess you can say. Super happy. I have a new boyfriend, so he's so sweet to me. I love him so much. I don't know if I want to make videos with him, like, you know, like those couple videos, because this one was like cliche and like everybody does those, you know. I don't want to be like every other couple on here, or every other couple on YouTube. I don't want to do that. I don't know. I want to do something different with him, but like, I don't know what type of videos to do. I don't know. We'll see. But I like to keep my relationship to a certain degree of privacy. I don't know. I want to keep him private, but also I want to show you guys. I also want to share him with you guys, and, you know, show him how dope he is, because you guys are always asking me, you know, about him and stuff. But also I want to keep our life private as well. But yeah, maybe videos will come with him soon. I don't know. Just want to let you guys know that I do have a boo. He's the sweetest person ever. Treats me super, super well. The best boyfriend I've ever had. And yeah, he lit and I'm lit, so we just meshed like this. Oh crap. This year has just been crazy. Like, growth on top of growth, spiritual growth, just mental growth, physical growth. I just became a lot more wise. Just everything was like positive for me, you know. I had some downfalls, like I did go through depression this year. Just overcoming that and, you know, getting through it was just worth all of the stress and anxiety and depression I had and all that stuff. Like, it just was worth it. And I feel like things happen for a reason, you know what I'm saying? Like, God makes things happen for a reason in your life. So if you're going through any type of depression right now, if you're, you know, stressed out about something and you're just going through a trial in your life, God is making you stronger by allowing you to go through that. God would never give us anything that we couldn't withstand. You know what I'm saying? He wouldn't put something on you that you couldn't take. So anything that you're going through, it's just gonna make you stronger at the end, because your storm is almost over, sis. You know, keep fighting, don't give up. Just fight on. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was ready to give up, y'all. Like, YouTube, I was ready to give up YouTube. I was ready to just basically just fall off the planet Earth. Like, I was so over life. But I kept fighting. I kept, you know, telling myself, I got this, I'm strong, I can, you know, get through it, and that's what happened. So whatever you're going through is temporary, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't think that it'll that you're gonna be sad or whatever you're going through for your entire life. Like, no, you're gonna get through it. Everything was like going wrong and stuff, and I just had to realize, like, you know what? This is happening for a reason, obviously. And, you know, it'll get better. But yeah.
Mommy, you have to go now.
I just wanted to talk to you guys right quick, let you guys know about my hair, give you guys pretty much an update on me, tell you guys what was going on. But I'm just gonna speak this video from here on out and just finish my makeup. Yeah, I just want to talk to you guys right quick and let y'all know what was up. Yeah, y'all. So let me finish this tutorial or get ready with me, and that would be that. I love you guys.
It's mine. It's time to cut this train. We're sitting talk face to face. There's no way you could mistake. For your man, are you insane? See, I know that you may be
What do you think is taking place?
Just put everything in the oven, Carl.
Yes,
Last girl signed the divorce, so what? Now I'm fucking sleep about the off road. Just tryna make the whole crowd go nuts. What? But we don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael.